Welcome back in my YouTube channel, guys. As you can see, I have received my withdrawal of Sproutgigs, guys. So this is my withdrawal proof, guys. I received this morning. So I received 0.546 LTC, or this is $4, guys. This is $4 worth of LTC I received from Sproutgigs. So this is the Sproutgigs website, guys. So I made a review before, guys, how to earn in Sproutgigs. So now I will teach you guys how to withdraw. So I have a screenshot, guys, how to withdraw in Sproutgigs. Click on wallet, then click request withdrawal. Select Litecoin or PayPal, Skrill, Uphold. So I will select Litecoin because this is the most low withdrawal fee. So just check the acknowledge. Then this is the withdrawal fee, guys, $0.92. So I have $5.1 balance. So just put the maximum and put the wallet address, guys. So go to Trust Wallet, select Litecoin. So you can use Binance or any centralized exchange, guys. Then click receive. This is your LTC address. So click copy. Then click send token. So the token is the verification code on your email. So go to your email, copy the verification code, paste here, guys, and click submit request. Then this is, guys, the processing of withdrawal. So you will be emailed that you have been placed a withdrawal. So after 24 hours, guys, or maybe 17 hours, in my experience, I received this $4 now. So as of now, this is my remaining balance. So you can this is the transaction successful, guys, of my withdrawal. So this is very legit website, guys. If you have time, if you want to earn free money online, so you can make money in Sproutgigs. So for those who don't watch my first video, so I will teach you guys how it works. So first, create account, click the link in my description, guys, and sign up. Then after you sign up, guys, just verify your email, then you can start working. So click the three lines. You need to enable the worker. So just enable the worker status, then click the micro job, then click find micro job. There's so many tasks here, guys. So just select the category. Say you can sign up, for example, sign up. Many companies will pay you for sign up. For example, this, guys, MPH market. So you need to sign up to get the 0.5 US dollar, and you need to pass the QIC. That is my opinion, guys. That is hard. Many guys like Telegram, Discord, and other tasks. I will tell you guys the easiest way to earn. No need to KYC or sign up. Just click and visit website. So this is, guys, the ECO plus promote content. Just click, then click apply. You can see, guys, the result. There are many websites that pay you for clicking their website. So you need to select, guys, if where you. So for example, guys, I will click this task. So this task, guys, is excluded from country, so you need to read first, guys, before you do the task. You can also follow the employer to notify you if they are posting new tasks. So time to rate, meaning you will pay in 1 day. So this is the task, guys. What is the expected from workers? So clear the browser history, then private browser. So you need to read the instruction, guys. So I will do, guys, actual. First, guys, you need to have 2 browsers. This is the fastest way, guys. So for example, I have Kiwi browser and I have Chrome. So I will perform the task in Chrome because my Sproutgigs account is logged in my Kiwi browser. So why I will separate, guys, because the instruction is you need to clear the browser. If you put this in one browser, guys, your account in Sproutgigs, for example this, it will be logged out, guys, because for example we clear the browser history, clear browsing data. So you need also clear the cookies and site data. So if you log in one browser, guys, your Sproutgigs accounts will automatically log out. So that's why, guys, this is very important to separate. So for example, we will perform the task. So step 2, go to, so copy the link, paste here, guys, back to the task. So copy the link, the step 4. We need to follow step by step, guys. So you need to find this site, guys. So find this website, guys. So click, guys, this website. Then back to the next step. So scroll down and wait to appear the visit the next post. So we need to visit 10 posts. So scroll down daw, guys. So as you can see, there is a timer. So wait the timer, then click the next post. Then click next post. Do it guys in 10 posts. So do it guys until we get the code. So click again the next post. After you visit the 10 post guys, you need to wait the timer in order to show the code for the proof. So just wait the timer guys, because the code is very important. Copy the code, then paste here guys to the submit proof page. So paste guys here the proof code, then also copy the 10th URL. So this is the 10th post guys we visit, so copy the link, then paste. So we need only to complete the second proof, so the step 6. So copy the link guys of step 6, then just read guys the instruction. So this is the instruction guys. You need to click one ad. So in the 10 post you need to click one ads. So find the ads guys. For example, this is the ads. Click the one ads. Then you must stay in 1 minute in this ads. Then click. According to the step I rules, you need to at least 2 pages. Then copy the URL. Because we need to submit 2 URL of advertisement. So for example, click any page guys. For example, about. Then copy the URL of the page, then paste here guys. So as you can see, we are completed to the proof. So just click the submit proof. So you guys, great, the task is submitted. So just wait 24 hours to approve. So as you can see guys, your 0.03 earnings is added here guys in our pending balance. So after 24 hours, the pending balance is transferred to the earned or your earned dollars. So that's how to complete a simple way in SEO promote. So it's almost unlimited guys because of many tasks. So you can also earn guys in inviting friends here guys. So inviting friends is optional. The SEO alone is you can earn $1 to $4 per day. It depends of your time and focus in Sproutgigs. So I hope you learn in my tutorial guys. So thank you for watching.